That 190 was a really nice spot. Wow. And IBM is just doing its own thing. Just off. Heading off. And look at Boeing. That is interesting. Very interesting. 204 low a day. I really like that 206. I don't know if it's going to get back up there, but this 205.30 it might. Against like 205.70. 205.30 against 205.70. There's 204 on Boeing. 203 low a day. And Tesla back down to 88. And yeah, that 90 was the spot, wasn't it? That was the spot right there. I wonder if I need to move down to like 205 teens on this. Where am I at? 205 teens. I am at 205 teens. Okay. Let's see if we can get a pop back up here on Boeing. I think this Boeing down almost 5% really has a chance to really go. There is support down here at 200 or just below. I gotta find a way into this Boeing. They are selling it. They are selling it, and need to find a way in. 204.70. Tesla, I still got time. Is there going to be a way to get into Boeing or not? No, they're selling Boeing straight down, aren't they? I might have to chase Boeing. Yeah, they're selling it straight down. Darn. Maybe this 204.70 against 205.20. 204.70 against 205.20. Uh, 204.70 against 205.20. And Tesla still holding up. What did IBM do? Did IBM come in? Oof, I'm gonna need to go down to that 190 or up to that 190, I think. Somewhere around here. I don't think this is gonna work. Gonna cancel these IBM. I don't think those IBMs are gonna work. Gonna cancel those. I think that 190 is the spot, actually. Maybe even 190.20s against like 189.80. Tesla still holding up. What's Boeing doing? Still on lows. I think this Boeing is the opportunity. With the negative headlines, with the obvious selling. It's just how do you get in? Let's try to get in here. Let's see if we can do that. And IBM. Large caps typically, I mean, IBM's a thick stock with a large float. I guess it's not that thick. I guess I should just say it's a large float. Boeing new lows. What's Tesla doing? I need to keep an eye back into pre-market range. Yeah, Tesla's going to do this, I think, until the seller is ready to start stepping on the gas, and that's when I'll see. I'm going to set another 187 back down here. IBM's about to be on highs here, and I'm going to need to cancel my IBM bid if it goes to highs, because then I missed it right here. What did it get down to? 90.80. 90.80, so the pullback was hardly at all. There is 93. I'm going to need to cancel those IBMs. IBM's gone. Tesla, what about Boeing? Boeing popped up to 204. I'm at 204.60. I wonder if I need to move down to 204.40. Gonna go down to 204.40. IBM heading to IBM just ripping through highs. Yeah. There's Boeing with a pop. Could not get up. 10 a.m. home sales shouldn't move the market too much, but we'll see. AMD on lows. Interesting. Huh. What's Amazon? Apple? A lot of stuff still in its pre-market range. There's BABA coming off. Google on highs. AMD at lows. AMD. And there's Tesla. Yes, in its range. Pre-market range still. Google hits highs. AMD hits lows. And Boeing not able to pop. Boeing on lows, penny off of lows. 202 will be the next low a day after it cracks 203s. Realistically, Tesla probably needs to come knock out 93 before it can get to 86. That's how Tesla can be. AMD still hitting lows. Need to find a way into Boeing to the short side. Trying to get it up here. There's Google on highs. Google 153 next high day. There's Boeing cracking through 203, hitting new lows. AMD finally found a base. IBM continuing higher. Wow. 195. Next high day on IBM. Just keeps going. Oh, AMD is really coming in. AMD really coming in. Tesla, I'm just going to let it chop around. I don't have anything to do until it starts breaching, but AMD's starting to show a lot of selling here. And can Boeing pop before it drops? Not much to do here as we approach 10 a.m. Might be another later morning type of day. Wow. Google on highs. Look at the daily. Wow. Hmm. Yeah, nothing to do here. Sit and wait. Okay, I'm gonna go on pause. There's nothing to do. Boeing needs to bounce. I'm not chasing it down here. Tesla needs to work out this range and decide if it's gonna revert first or if it's gonna continue lower. Here's Boeing popping. Here's 204 coming up. Might get the fill there. AMD continuing lower. Here's 4. I'm up at 440s. Popping. Can it get up above 4? It can. 15s, 20s maybe? I'm up there at 44. 20s. 30s. There's 10 a.m. home sales, and I am very close to getting filled. I did not get it. Very close. A couple of pennies away. On the offer, did get filled. I am short. Boeing, 44 cents. Looking for this area to hold and not looking for it to keep moving higher. Immediately comes down in. 203 30s is the first spot we're looking for to hit down here. And then 202 60 is the next spot. Let's see if this Boeing can start working Here's 04. Can we get down to the threes? There is 4 dropping, 80s, 70s, 60s. Very thin down there, isn't it? I'm gonna take one there. I took it there. I took one there just to cover, and then I'm gonna see if this continues lower, I'll take it. Otherwise, I might just scalp it out. Can it drop out to 203? Tesla's moving higher. Got 85 on that first lot. I was looking for it a little bit lower. Can it hold below 85? This is not like a trade to hold or anything yet. This is still a scalp. I need to see an offer start stepping down and see that sellers start working again. Let's see what happens. Here we go. 40s. Can we get down to the hole? 40s. That was better what I saw, but I need to see more. I don't really want to see a bid above 70 cents now. I think it looks pretty good. If we can get a seller to start hitting the bids there, which I see some machines. If that 50, there we go, 30s dropped. We're coming down here. 30s. Keep hitting those 30s. 20s. Teens. Keep hitting the bid. I'm going to take it up here at 14 if I can get it. I did not get it. I'm going to lift it. I'm going to lift the offer and get out. I got out at 29 cents. I didn't like the way it stalled. I would have gotten it right there. It dropped 3, but yeah, that was that's it. I'm out. I'm flat.